we are. I picked up an event. Can you shut up that light? I picked up an event during this freaking blizzard, winter storm that we're getting. I don't know why, but I did. And it was supposed to start snowing around 2 or 3, but now it's snowing now, and I'm out here. I have my boots and my leggings, but this is crazy. I do this to myself. It has snow again. Like literally 10 minutes ago, he came out to clean it. So, wow, this is gonna be an adventure. All right, let me get inside. So, I picked up an event today during this horrible weather because you know the Patriots are playing again. So here I am, jamming and trying to get there. If you don't have to be out here, don't be out here because it is ugly. The streets are not clean. It is cold, so everything is icy and it is snowing a lot. So wish me luck. We're out here. My ride is here. Door-to-door service. Oh my god, I love her. Here we are. Look at this body. So we're off. Good luck to us. Oh my gosh, look at this Tobin Bridge. Mira esto. You can't even see over the water. Wow. Crazy. So we are here. Oh my god. I'm gonna go into Walgreens and ask if we can use their parking lot. He said we can, so we're gonna park here, which is right next door. Woohoo! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh! I can't see. Yeah, he said we can. All right. So here we are. Oh my god! I have something in my eye. I'm like major. Mira, it's my partner in crime right there. See how way. Here we are. It's so pretty. No la pueden ver, pero está ahí. Here we are. And people are really making a line to get inside this place. Like, Stop and Shop because we got requests from our kids. Mira. We're going to Stop and Shop. It's bad. Wowzers. There's a freaking blizzard out here. It got worse. Oh. My lantern. Nothing's clogged. Yeah, oh my land. Look at this. So if you have no business being outside, don't be outside. Go home, people. Go home. Go home. So here we are trying to get out, and I'm not getting out. Let's see. My driving skills. It's like a trial and error, you know? Oh. We are not making it. Let's see. Oh. If this car wasn't so close to me. Drive and reverse. So I was almost out, but Mariella's stepfather came to help me out. Let's see if I can try to make it. I was almost out though, you see? Reverse and keep going. But he's helping me, which is really nice. I just got stuck somewhere else. So I do not have four-wheel drive. So I'm going to try my hardest to avoid to get stuck like him. So there are some streets that are not plowed. I just got stuck in one and I had to reverse and keep going and reverse really hard and just drive on the side that was plowed. So let's see how this goes. Take your time, reverse and drive. Let's see how this goes. You see this one? Yep, this one's clean. I'm going in through here. Whee! Here we go. Match right. Look at him.